One of the most popular Nigerian small chops out there. You have got to try this delicious chin chin recipe. Grab your bowl and I'm going to add in some flour, some baking powder, nutmeg, sugar and mix it all together. And then you want to add in some butter, and using your hand you're going to mix everything together until you get a bread-like consistency. Make a well in the middle of your dry ingredients and add some egg and some milk. And then we're going to keep mixing it and kneading it until you get a texture similar to what you see here. Let that sit for about 20 minutes and then you want to take it out and roll it flat. And then we take a pizza cutter and we're just going to cut this into small blocks. So to get something slightly healthier, I actually oven bake my chin chins. So I pop this in the oven on 170 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes in total, and around 15 minutes in, I give it a shake and I add a bit more oil on top. But most of the time, chin chin is actually deep fried. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.